One day David cried before God from a place of deep despair. Not because he stopped believing, but because heaven seemed unfair. How long, Lord, will you forget me? Will you hide your face away? How long must I wrestle with my thoughts and carry sorrow every day? How many people know that feeling? Praying prayers that seem unanswered, watching months become years, while the silence grows much louder. Some keep smiling in the daytime, yet cry quietly through the night, wondering if the God they trust in still can see their desperate